Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to turn off limits on Instagram. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open Instagram. And once you've opened Instagram, you're gonna head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're in your profile, to gain access to the settings, you're just gonna tap on the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen, and you will be presented with this tab. And in this tab, as you can see on the topmost, there is the settings and privacy. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that, and you will be transferred to this screen. And in this set of options, you're just going to scroll down and look for the how others can interact with you category. And once you're there are different options such as messages and story replies, tags and mentions, comments, sharing and remixes, restricted, and the one that we're looking for, which is the limited interactions. Let's go ahead and tap that, and you will be transferred to this screen. And as you can see, this is currently turned on, but for this tutorial, this only applies if, even though the limit that you've set for is not yet done, but you want to turn it off, as if you're like feeling safer, you have that option right here on the bottommost part. As you can see, there is a turn off button. Let's go ahead and tap that to turn it off. As you can see, it is now turned off, and the limits are now off. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.